He's the author behind the book, The 12 Monotasks.
Thatcher Wine.
Thatcher Wine.
Thatcher Wine.
I love what this guy is teaching.
I'm a great multitasker. We say it, we think it all the time. But you're actually asking people to be a monotasker.
Only about 2% of the population can actually multitask. We're in the other 98%.
21st century life is super busy. We tend to make more mistakes, to get overwhelmed, and things take longer.
It's not about doing less, it's about doing more. You can monotask with your full attention, or you can multitask with partial attention. When you want to do something that's really important in your life, do better work, be more creative, listen to your kids, and be a great parent, you have the choice.